Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both machines, your workstation and the target device. Make sure the remote SSH extension is installed in Vscode and the device runs an SSH server on a reachable IP and port. Once done, generate an SSH key pair locally and copy the public key into the device's // SSH/authorized keys so authentication is passwordless. Also confirm firewall rules allow the chosen port. These steps let you connect securely and enable the next configuration phase without typing passwords repeatedly. You now configure Vscode to use that SSH identity, edit your local // SSH/config and add a host entry with the device IP, user, and identity file path. Next, open the command palette and choose Remote SSH. Connect to host. Pick the host you just defined. Vscode will open a remote window and may install its server component. Make sure you install recommended extensions on the remote side and open the project folder there. This runs your debugger and tools in the target environment for accurate. You're ready to run the debugger over SSH. Create or update launch. JSON with the remote program path, debugging port, and remote route to map files. Then start the debug session from Vscode. If the debugger requires port access, forward it using SSHL or Vscode's port forwarding. Make sure source mapping and paths align so breakpoints hit correctly. If things go wrong, check SSH connectivity, key permissions, and the remote server logs for errors. That single troubleshooting tip often reveals permission or path mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.